Hey guys, we're back with the third part of today's openings. This time we're going to switch it up a little bit, do something new. I have with me some X and Y Evolutions packs. So what we're looking for in here, of course, is the Charizard. Either the holo or maybe the reverse. I know the or is it a Mega Charizard full art version is also kind of cool. Alright. These packs are definitely feeling a little bit different. Let's see what we get in this first pack. So, I think it's 3 with this. Alright, we got a full heal. Venusaur Spirit Link, a Potion, a Doduo, a Pikachu, a Machop, a Growlithe, an Onix, a Farfetch'd, and our first hit out of the first pack is a holo Gyarados. I love Gyarados. Let's stick him right there. Alright, we got our first hit. Let's go. Let's see if we can't get that. I'm going to make my guess is that we're going to get a reverse Charizard out of these. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. We got Charizard Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Double Colorless Energy, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett. The reverse is a Blastoise Spirit Link. Ooh, and we got a Mega Pidgeot EX. Now, unfortunately, Pidgeot's not the best, so he's actually going to get relegated to the second place spot. Going into our third pack. 3. Alright, got Energy Retrieval. Got a Kakuna, Pidgeot Spirit Link, a Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, Weedle, Voltorb, and the reverse is a Haunter. Ah, that's a full art trainer of Brock's Grit. He looks pretty serious in this photo. What do you guys think? Should he make the Rayquaza hit of the break spot? You know, why not? This is a full art card, and he deserves it. Alright, let's get into our next pack. So far, we've had a lot of luck. Every pack has had a hit. We have a Coughing, Revive, a Nidoran, a Poliwag, Leaf Energy, a Rattata, Vulpix, oh yes, Fire Energy, and a Doug Trio. So I'm going to try making sets. I know Champion's Path has this reverse energy cards, and so does X and Y. So I'm going to see if I can get a set for each one. Maybe send it off to PSA to get graded and see which one wins. The next pack, let's see, 3. Got a Porygon, a Ghastly, a Diglett, a Rattata, a Charmander, Energy. The reverse is a Revive, and a Starmie. Alrighty, we got Misty's Determination, Revive, a Nidorino, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu, Staryu, Onix. The reverse is a Switch and a wow. What are the odds? Another full art Brock's Grit. Now these guys are tied. Let's see which one's centered. They're actually both kind of off, but this one's worse. So the new Brock's Grit now takes the Rayquaza's hit of the break spot. Let's get into the next pack. Got a Charmeleon, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela. Aw, we are starting our collection very well. This is a fighting reverse, so now we have fire and fighting. Let's see, we got what, 6 more to go? Maybe 5. Alright, got Magmar, a Metapod, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix. The reverse is a Super Potion and a Mewtwo. I feel it. This is going to have the reverse Charizard in it. Oh, that's a good sign. Got an Electabuzz, a Vulpix, a Sandshrew, an Onix. It is fire. If you guys can see the bottom. Oh, it's the Charmander. And we have a Sir Farfetch'd. Or just regular Farfetch'd. Now this Charmander's kind of off-centered. I do want to get the Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard reverse graded. That way I can have a set. Okay, we're on to our last pack of X and Y Evolutions. Got a Poliwhirl, Porygon, Drowsy, Staryu. That's cool. Growlithe. The reverse is an Electabuzz and a Beedrill. Alright, let's move these out the way. So, 4 hits from this 10-pack opening. Not too bad, if I may say so myself. We did get 2 of the Brock's Grit. We also got the Gyarados. And then we have a Mega Pidgeot EX. As far as the collection goes, I don't know if somebody wants to start keeping track for me, but we did get a Fire Energy reverse and a Fighting Energy reverse. So that means we're 2 down as far as what we want. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be doing some of those Elite Trainer boxes probably tomorrow. But I did want to kind of test everything first today. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I will be coming out with a lot more content now that everything's set up. I just need to work on not making any mistakes with the lighting. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your day.